Hi guys, welcome to Zoom. This is Mimansa. The Korean entertainment industry kept buzzing in the past 1 week. While on one hand, we had Jin, J-Hope and RM from BTS eyeing for a Grammy nomination, Blackpink member Jisoo's latest collaboration with Zayn Malik is turning heads. In case you missed out on all that made news, here's a rundown of everything that trended. Check out the top 10 Korean news items in the past 7 days. Despite getting nominated 5 times at Grammys, BTS is yet to win its first award. Ahead of Grammys 2026, Jin, J-Hope and RM have reportedly submitted their solo work, raising hopes for ARMYs.
BTS still awaits its first Grammy Award. For the 2026 race, its members Jin, J-Hope and RM have submitted their individual work as soloists. As per reports, Jin has submitted his album Echo and single Don't Say You Love Me for several categories. J-Hope, on the other hand, has sent his smash hit Killing It Girl, Mona Lisa and Sweet Dreams. Meanwhile, RM has moved his collaboration with Megan Thee Stallion, Never Play, as a contender. ARMYs now await to see whether the trio will break the band's jinx at Grammys this year.
Blackpink member Jisoo's latest collab duet Eyes Closed with former One Direction member Zayn Malik beautifully mixes their vocals in a heartfelt ballet.
After a lot of guesswork by fans, Blackpink's Jisoo finally confirmed her duet titled Eyes Closed with former One Direction member Zayn Malik. The K-pop diva released the track's music video, leaving fans gushing over what they call the collaboration of the century. This is Jisoo's first new music release in 8 months since her solo album Amortage. Eyes Closed combines the two singers and their contrasting vocals into a sensual melody. The song, now released across platforms, is a heartfelt ballet that beautifully mixes the voices of the two global stars, creating a soothing and emotionally charged harmony that's winning hearts online. This comes as Jisoo is on Blackpink's 2025 World Tour deadline along with her bandmates Jennie, Lisa and Rosé.
Han Soi's recent like on politician Lee Jun-suk's Instagram post has received backlash. The Korean actress has now reacted on the matter through an agency statement.
Gyeongsang Creature actress Han Soi is facing the heat over liking a social media post by politician Lee Jun-suk. Soon after receiving backlash, she retracted the like and has now issued a statement. The latest incident happened when Soi liked an Instagram post by Lee Jun-suk, leader of the Reform Party of South Korea. She soon unliked the post, but the matter had blown out of proportion by then. Her agency later clarified through a statement stating that there was no political intent.
Blackpink member Lisa and Big Bang's G-Dragon have reunited in a viral selfie shared by designer Verdi, making fans ask for a collab.
In what fans are calling the ultimate K-pop crossover moment, Blackpink's Lisa and Big Bang's G-Dragon were recently spotted together, sending the entire internet into a frenzy. The rare sighting of the two global icons, both hailing from the powerhouse YG Entertainment, was shared by Japanese street fashion designer Verdi on his personal social media account on October 8. The photo perfectly encapsulates their fun personalities. The effortless chemistry between Lisa and G-Dragon instantly reminded fans of their shared YG legacy and strong influence in the fashion and music worlds.
Amid the racism controversy around Blackpink member Rosé, singing icon Madonna weighed in and posted pictures to turn the spotlight on K-pop diva to change the mood.
Amid accusations of racism against Blackpink member Rosé, legendary singer Madonna posted clips from the recent Saint Laurent show in Paris, where the K-pop idol is seen sitting at the center. This followed the public backlash Charli XCX and a UK magazine faced for sidelining Rosé from a striking group picture of the celebrities spotted in front row of the event. Madonna's move was welcomed by the netizens who lauded her for being the pacifier and changing the mood of the ongoing controversy. The photo gave fans the assurance that Rosé was in fact seated at the center of the front row as one of the brand's global ambassadors.
Squid Game star Lee Jung-jae made history by becoming the first Korean actor to win Chaplin Award Asia for his global impact in the cinematic world.
In a historic achievement, Lee Jung-jae has become the first Korean actor to receive the prestigious Chaplin Award Asia announced on October 3rd in Singapore. The award recognizes his exceptional contribution to Asian cinema and his ability to connect with audiences worldwide through powerful storytelling and diverse roles. According to the organizers, Lee was honored for his enduring and positive influence on Asian cinema. Accepting the award, he expressed his gratitude. The Chaplin Award is one of the most celebrated lifetime achievement honors in the film industry, presented annually by Film at Lincoln Center in New York.
GOT7 member and soloist Jackson Wang recently faced an embarrassing situation when a male fan came on stage and kissed him during his Bangkok show, part of his ongoing Magic Man 2 World Tour.
Jackson Wang is currently on his Magic Man 2 World Tour 2025-26, which he successfully kicked off in Thailand with 2 consecutive sold-out shows on October 3 and 4th. A video from his show in Bangkok grabbed eyeballs. A shirtless man who joined Jackson on stage went on and kissed the artist on the cheek, leaving him startled. To cover his embarrassment, the 31-year-old idol lifted his shirt to cover his face. Many fans were unhappy at how the man exploited his proximity to Jackson. The GOT7 member has managed to acquire a significant fan base in India following his collab with Punjabi sensation Diljit Dosanjh from the track Buck.
21st Century Grand Prince co-stars IU and Byeon Woo-suk recently wished their fans on Chuseok in their own heartfelt manner. The two stars are currently shooting for the Netflix K-drama.
IU and Byeon Woo-suk celebrated Chuseok, sending wishes to their fans and closed ones. IU treated her unit of 21st Century Grand Prince in the most heartwarming manner. A staff member posted photos on social media revealing that IU gave 500,000 Korean won gift certificates to everyone connected with the show. Meanwhile, Byeon also gave special wishes to his massive fan base. He shared a photo on his Instagram handle with the caption Chuwoo-suk, playing with the word Chuseok and his name Woo-sok. While 21st Century Grand Prince is one of the most anticipated titles releasing in 2026, the fresh pairing of IU and Byeon Woo-suk is another high point.
Fresh from the success of Bon Appetit, Your Majesty, actor Lee Jae-min gave back to trolls targeting his girlfriend Ryu Da-in by publicly hanging out with her.
The couple, that's been in a public relationship since 2024, was recently spotted on a dinner date. Lee Jae-min's gesture to spend his moment with Ryu Da-in comes amid ongoing scrutiny she's facing for dating the 2025 breakout star. According to a fan who revealed details about their romantic date, a restaurant staff spotted the two, who were happy and comfortable with each other. The author of the post also stated that he even cooked some pancakes for her. Lee Jae-min and Ryu Da-in met during the shooting of Crash Course in Romance. They confirmed their relationship in 2024.
Those who tuned in to watch Genie Make a Wish were in for an unexpected surprise when Song Hye Kyo made a cameo, which many deemed as angelic.
Song Hye Kyo turned a Genia, a female genie in Bae Suzy and Kim Woo Bin star a Netflix fantasy show Genie Make a Wish, and illuminated the screens beyond expectations. The K-drama dropped all its 13 episodes on October 3rd, and before even reviews could land, Song started turning heads. Song's cameo explains played by Kim Woo Bin's backstory. While her small role is crucial to the plot, it's Song's beautiful face card and coal eyes along with magnetic screen presence that left viewers in awe.
And that's all we have in this week's edition. For all the entertainment related updates, follow Zoom. This is Mimansa Shekhar signing off. Bye-bye.